Hello, I'm meteorologist Ryan Leach, and this is the weather planning briefing for Sunday, October 16th. First up, to start the week out, it's going to be pretty low impact, not much going on in terms of the active weather, but it turns out that in itself can be an impact, so we will talk a bit about Monday and Tuesday's weather and some stagnant air there. But we are looking for that big change in the weather to come. Really, more expecting those impacts to arrive Saturday, but Friday will have some increased winds as the ridge starts to break down. Speaking of the ridge, are expecting a ridge over the region to continue through most of the week. This is a depiction as of Tuesday morning, with that high centered right over the area. And what that's going to cause is a very, very stable air mass and some stagnant air conditions from about Monday through late Tuesday or early Wednesday time frame, with that high pressure in place. The white numbers on this chart are also the wind speeds in miles per hour, and this is up at about 18 to 20,000 feet. So looking at these numbers, those are very low wind speeds, and we expect that to actually carry all the way down to the surface where we have very low wind speeds. So stable conditions, low wind speeds, poor dispersion of smoke, so stagnant air is what we're calling for. Again, Monday through late Tuesday or early Wednesday. So then, of course, the big question is, when does that ridge break down, and what does that look like? And right now, it looks like that ridge is going to be starting to break down on that Friday, Saturday time period. Friday, we expect the impacts to mainly be wind. As Saturday rolls around, we're looking at the rain and temperatures. The rain to start, the temperatures to drop, and for some mountain snow to set in. So this on the left is the QPF, the rain amount forecast for 0.6, which is kind of in the middle of our forecast area, just to the north of Missoula, about 8,000 feet. And looking at that to start around midnight Saturday up those high elevations. On the right, we have Lolo Pass, you can see, and we have snow and temperatures. So you can see that snow again starting to sit in a little bit later around Saturday afternoon as those temperatures start to drop Saturday into Sunday. So that's really the timing we're looking at, about a week out, about 7 days out, for the timing of that big change to cooler, wetter, more winter-like weather. And then that leads us sort of into the long-term 8 to 14-day outlook. How are we going to end October? And right now we're going to be ending that with, it looks like, better chances for below average temperatures and above average precipitation. So that's a really big change from what we have been. We have been above average temperatures and below normal precipitation. So a big change coming in the month of October, and usher in some more late fall and early winter-like weather conditions. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a phone call at 406-329-4840. Thanks.